Hello, and welcome to your Bitcoin update. Yeah, late in the day, after the daily candle close, I've been waiting the whole day for Bitcoin to give us another upside extension. Well, we could say it kind of happened, but the price hasn't really broken out above the previous highs. So if we zoom in a little bit, while the price did react to that support area we talked about in the previous videos today, which is located still between 94,260 and 95,900. That move up is really quite choppy. And that is, typical for this kind of end of a potential 5-wave move. If we really just look at this move up from yesterday's low, we had the initial bounce, a 1-2 setup, a third wave, which is typically the longest element in that trend, fourth wave pullback, which normally reacts to the area between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement and the 50% retracement. And then, we had that reaction, and the fifth wave is often choppy. So we'll see. I mean, I do expect that pullback in wave 2 to start maybe even overnight. So could be that I'm waking up to chaos tomorrow, but we'll see. This can always be an opportunity as well, when we get a pullback into a wave 2 support area. But for now, it's not even confirmed that we've topped in wave 1. And actually, for a healthy fifth wave, I would really like to see the price to go a little bit higher, maybe to 97,900 or even 98,730. So I'm still watching for maybe a little higher. Just one more upside extension would be ideal. Then I can call that a healthy fifth wave. And then we can adjust the support area accordingly, because so far the support area is still the same as mentioned earlier today. I'm not going to change it because of that wick there. It didn't do anything really. So let me explain again. So at the moment, I still consider that not really a healthy 5-wave move up yet. It would be good to get that one more extension. So until we get that fifth wave, the support area between 94,260 and 95,900 remains relevant, because what could technically be the case is, we just test it again. Maybe that wave 4, it's just like an A, B, C, and then we go up. You can't predict that. But that's why we're tracking levels more than like microstructures. And the price could easily test that support area again before actually forming that one more high in wave 5, okay? So this is something to watch for. But if we break below 94,250, so that 50% retracement, plus minus a few dollars, it's the exact dollar value is not important. It's more like, because there is a slight difference between different exchanges, right? So it's more like, do we get a sustained break below that 50% fib level? If we do, then I will still, even if we retrace now, I will still watch if the market can generate buying momentum in the lower support area, which is defined between 90,950 and $93,212. So this would be, the lower support area, which would become relevant if the upper support breaks. But I don't have any confirmation that the upper support is breaking, or that, even wave 5 of 1 is complete. But as I said, if we start the decline now, then I will already consider that it's the wave 2. Even though only after a healthy fifth wave, I think probabilities will be very clear. That still doesn't guarantee that a higher low would form. But if we get a 5-wave move up with a healthy fifth wave, then the next pullback should form a higher low in a wave 2. Whereas if we break down now without a healthy fifth wave, I can still call that 3 waves. And it could form a higher low, but it's then not necessarily expected, right? So these are the two pathways. And at the moment, we're getting close to like 97K. Again, what I really like to see is a move up to 98K, maybe even 99K. So these two levels above. And I think the chances are still quite good, but microstructure here is a bit unclear of what this is in wave 5. I'm very open to further upside at the moment, okay? And I think my position is clear. I'm tracking further upside. It is not confirmed yet that the price has reversed, and this is still technically, and if I zoom out a little bit, this is still technically a correction, A, B, C, which could still extend lower in the white scenario, but we're now at a point where a reversal could occur, and I'm just telling you what we need to see to keep this reversal kind of potential alive, right? With the fifth wave up, I will be clearly leaning towards the blue count. I already find it quite probable. We already see here and there in the altcoins, on the altcoin charts, 5-wave movements to the upside. But we need evidence, right? From an analysis point of view, we need evidence. And that would be a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. And if we get that 3-wave pullback, it could also be an opportunity from a trading point of view. Now, if it's the right opportunity for you, only you can decide that, right? But if we just move that support area a little bit to the right, whenever we get that volatility and that dip, it could be an opportunity to add. Okay, it's a 1-2 setup. I'm not saying it's the right thing for you to do, but it's a reasonable setup. 1-2 setups are like textbook setups from an Elliott Wave point of view. Not I didn't invent that, right? That's other people did that, but it's simple because it's the first sign of an uptrend, a series of higher highs and higher lows. And then you're buying into the pullback, which are typically, and these are typically the lowest risk trades, if you have your position management in place, right? Position size management. Okay, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.